And welcome to our YouTube channel DevOps Tricks. And today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Jenkins on your Ubuntu machine, which is suitable for Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. So as we know that Jenkins is the automation server that will use in CI/CD pipelines and cron job activities. So let's talk about our first step. In this first step, we are going to update our Ubuntu current repository and going to update our installed packages. So we need to just copy first command, then execute on your terminal. So I have already logged in my machine, which is a newly created machine. So I'm going to update it. So it seems like all the default repository going to update within a few seconds. So we need to wait till then. Okay, it's got completed. Then we need to execute sudo apt-get upgrade -y flag to update the packages. Just paste this command and hit the enter button. So it's also take few seconds to complete the process. And after this, we are good to go for the next step. So it's asking for the which service should be restarted. Okay. So we need to go with default. Okay, that is done. Then Jenkins need Java 11. So here is the command to install Java 11 JDK. Just copy and paste on your terminal and hit the enter button. So it will install the Java 11 package for us. So it's about to complete now. And then we are good to go for the one next step. Go to the default and Java is installed now. Then we need to add the Jenkins repository. So we have two commands for the same, one for GPG and second for repository. Then execute this command. So again, we need to update the repository to initialize Jenkins URL, and then we are ready to use sudo apt-get install Jenkins -y. Okay, it's get detected with the repository and going to install all of the things for Jenkins. Need to start and need to use. So it's creating now systemctl file for us to manage Jenkins daemon like restart, start, enable disable, just kind of things. Okay, let's go to the default. So Jenkins install now. Let's verify this service Jenkins up and running or not in our system. So there is a command sudo systemctl status jenkins.service. So we can see that Jenkins is up and running condition, and then we need to open port 8080. So let's see the firewall rule with Azure portal, and there is no port for 8080. So let's open it, port 8080, and this is for Jenkins. Just add this rule. And after that, we will try to access Jenkins using our portal browser. So we need to use the IP address and then port number. So its rule is created now. Then we need to copy the public IP of the machine. Just copy, paste, and add port number 8080. Hit enter button in your browser. So we can see that there is a Jenkins. It's asking for the initial admin password. So just copy this path, go to your terminal, and execute cat. Then okay, so I need to use sudo. Then copy this initial password and paste it here, and then click on continue button. So it's asking for the install plugins suggested and install manually. So I will go with suggested plugins. So these are all suggested plugins going to install. So that plugins we will use in our later CI/CD project like Maven, build and deploy, PHP, Python, Angular, Node.js, just kind of things we will do in our upcoming videos. Okay, now we are good to create a admin user. So I'm going to type Aftab and my password. Then again my password, full name Aftab Ali, email ID aftab at example.com. Let's say click on save and continue. Then it's asking for the what is Jenkins URL. So I do not have any domain. So I will use my public IP. Just click on save and finish. Then click on start using Jenkins. So you can see that we have successfully installed and reached our Jenkins dashboard. So you can use this tutorial. This is tested and you will not get any error if you're going to use same kind of scenarios and same kind of operating system. And I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching.